quality team that they are, they should actually win both trophies every year.
When you talk, Victor, about that idea of being like within a score or maybe have a small lead just sort of coming down the stretch for the last 20 minutes, I think you mentioned, like, you know, a lot of people in the stadium thinking, oh no, not again. And I don't want to be putting words in your mouth, so I'll throw the nice and open question to you. Is there a sense that there's a mental frailty amongst Irish rugby teams?
There must be, especially with the Leinster team. I mean, this quality team should have taken 5-6 trophies in the last few years. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. And also, I just think it was with a focus being almost on the double. They want to do the Champions Cup. They want to win the URC. I mean, the quality team that they are, they should actually win both trophies every year. And unfortunately, that didn't happen. That's why I say, although there is that cliche or thing that will be there bugging them, I still think this year is different because they're out of the Champions Cup. There's only the URC that they need to focus on. So I think it should be easier for them to focus on this. Everything is going into this game now. They're throwing everything at it. Someone last night said they hope, a lot of them kind of one eye on the British and Irish Lions already. But I don't think this Leinster team, they want a trophy. They want to win this trophy.